So what you guys may not know is I have a cat. Actually, two cats. I have two cats. Uno cat, two no cat. They are both really, really sweet cats. A lot of you guys may be allergic to cats or don't like cats because they scratch or bite. However, in this video, I'll be talking about my cats. So, cat number one, Casey. Casey is a sweet little cat who loves to play. She's the only one out of two of my cats who actually scratch and bite. Now, she's also really sweet. I love Casey, and the second cat we're gonna be talking about in a little bit. But for this cat, she loves to play with like strings and stuff, you know. She's your like cat, just like two of the cats that I'm gonna touch on this video. So, she loves to hang out, play, and sleep. Yep, she loves to sleep. Now the second cat we're gonna be talking about is Chloe. Sweet little gray cat who also likes to play, but is also kind of scared all the time. Yeah, it's fine though. She's so sweet, and I always love to pet her, and she always lets me pet me. Sometimes. But, I mean, hey, she runs away sometimes to loud noises, but it's fine. That's what cats do. And those are my two cats, my two sweet cats. I would show a photo of them in real life, but I don't have a photo of them on my PC. But it's fine. So, that's the story of my cats. Both of my cats, actually. Now, I always like to feed these cats too. They're so sweet and they always bleh. Anyways. Casey, you know, she's orange and stuff, and Chloe's gray. They're pretty cute, actually. If you were to see them, you'd be like, hey, that cat is actually pretty cute. And I would say that too.